Welcome to Hello guys, welcome to the Royal Traders. My name is Zubeyr. As you see on this screen, jobless claim came out and gave the market a little bit radial. So as you see, unemployment jobless rises from 195 to 211,000, and also we have today NFP news coming out at 4:30, and also Canadian employment change and unemployment rate. So in this video we are gonna digesting what is going on the forex market, and guys, I will give you some ideas about this market. So let's begin. First we will start with the USD dollar. USD dollar, for the couple of last weeks, we can see that it was rising. So today, guys, I'm also expecting USD dollar to remain bullish, because as you see here, we have large impulse, and as you see here now, it's creating a little correction here. So guys, of course, this big event news is coming today, and I'm expecting USD dollar to rise again, because as you see here, the structure of and the price action of USD dollar is quite lovely to me. So, and yes, because of this impulse, we can see that USD has been increasing and is creating for this week, for this large correction, also going down for 1 hour time frame. Guys, still you can clearly see that USD dollar is in correction. So yes, as you see here from this trend line, it retested so many times, and today, and I hope the news will also make USD again for bullish. Also guys, I want to show you Euro USD. We know that Euro USD is inverse of dollar, and also Euro USD was also in a bearish market for the last couple weeks. As you see here, also the price action of Euro USD is also lovely, and guys, also we can see that Euro USD is, at the moment is in a larger correction as well. So yes, if dollar today become a bullish market, so, and I hope Euro USD will also be a continuation in sell direction. And also we will look together for gold. Guys, gold also, the price action is also quite interesting. If we just look for 1 hour time frame, yes, we can see that gold is also in bearish market, and it will continue to fall at least this level area. So in my opinion, guys, for these 3 pairs, especially Euro USD and gold, today can create a huge impulses. And as you can see here, gold, I'm waiting 230 pips. So yes, we will see, guys. Any more updates, of course, I'm always updating you with our Telegram channel. Please subscribe to our channel.